Bigyan niya ako ng sila ha.
Picking duck eggs.
Ilang sinigit sa isa?
You take picture and send to the salon.
I'm happy with it. Check it. There are cracks. You just put it.
Good quality. No cracks. Super big. Wow.
Where to put it?
Still have another one box. Sealed na sealed. Oy. Why you do this now?
Don't go there.
Hindi napadira.
Oh, yes. You better stay there with Ate Ina there.
No.
Have you eaten?
No.
Why you did not eat? So where is your food?
No.
You should not be here.
No.
Wow, I sweat a lot. Pura ka?
Napalagi.
Ano ka na yun?
Wow. Butang dira ha.
Ano pag-apil kay mabuak ni?
Hindi napa. Sa block.
Ano pag-apil kay mabuak ni? Maputbol ta. Wala tayo sweldo, wala tayo money. Oo, bilhin na tayo makabayo og papi.
Bitaw, bro.
O dimple.
Oo, simple-dimple.
Ipalit ito aruna na tayman.
Lagi dito na lagi ka. Ayaw lagi pa ka dito. Ayaw pag-disturb sa ako. Nag-work. I'm working.
You working?
Yes.
Noodles.
I see your face. Da-da.
Do not help, okay? Do not help. Don't touch the egg.
Okay, mabuak.
Yes, dangerous.
Pag nakikita mo ang pisid sa itlog mo, may dugo.
Oh, there is one crack.
One crop.
Put in the floor. This is crack.
Aman, try ko dito ang itong mga wala na. Wala na.
Give me one tray for the cracks. This is for the kitchen.
Yeah, in the kitchen.
Yes.
We
cook this
Nakrak na.
So, not good for incubating because there is a crack.
Butang ha. Butang tanang.
Dito lang tama lang ka.
Nagit what's ni kaya kung ibalin.
I no need na. I'm working. I told you, I'm working.
Ano?
Why like that? Another one crack. Two crack.
Two crop. Papa did a crop. Another one is crop. Another one is crop. Maybe it's crop too. Crop.
No, maybe there is a zombie.
Look, I want to look. Look, Mom.
You look outside. Maybe the zombie is over there.
What is Nora?
Oh no.
Nora tayo garden.
Oh no.
Yang tugi
I'm so scared.
Yang tugi.
So tiring.
Yang tugi diduktok ang gagya na tong na ting na. Wala ko nakuratan.
Okay. Do not play the eggs. The broken eggs, we will cook that.
Yan, ang taon eh.
Yes. Do it.
Awa.
Very good quality.
Yan,
Eggs really good. So big.
na,
Nice.
Alika, it's so big.
It's big. I mean, it's big. Big egg.
Egg is small. Small bit. Awa. Big.
No, do not push.
Small and big. Small and big.
You might broke it.
Small bit. Awa. May kalo. May sundalo.
No, do not do that.
Ring,
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Wee. Hello, fucking Bobo.
Ibuto at Tina. At Tina ang sabi. Then finish your spaghetti and chicken.
Oh my god. Oh my.
Go.
No, that's not pa.
Yes, that is dirty. Do not pick it up. Just put it down. That is dirty.
Ako si Joko di sud. Gawas Joko. Gawas. Get out. Get out.
You better close the door. Oh, dirty. That is dirty, bro. I told you, do not pick up the newspaper. That is dirty. Look at your hands. Later, very dark.
I see your face.
Wow! Too tired. Let's beg.
Okay. This is it. My life is just begun. I finally found someone.
Wait, quiet.
Come on.
Smell duck. Ducks. The eggs smell ducks. cannot put all. Give me some. Another small container, maybe.
Dalawang tray yan dyan ha.
Maybe the egg tray.
Dalawang tray yan. Oh my goodness.
That is ugly. And this is good tray. And this tray. Good one. Should be put in the tray. Oh no! Ang hang ng pawis ko. Why? I think there are only 2 cracks. Another 1 crack. Well done. This is it. And the cracked one we need to keep. The cracked eggs you need to keep. This is bonus for the kitchen. And the egg. And the eggs.